So as you can see here on my desktop, I'm currently running an instance of Facebook, the Bright Pattern ACD, and the Salesforce CRM. Let's start with an integration with Salesforce. The custom components we created can resolve many user intents. We chose creating a new contact just to show informational and transactional intents on Salesforce objects being processed by the digital assistant. So let's go ahead and begin. We'll start by entering create a contact as an utterance. Now please note that the name of this new contact will be John Tapper, and the bot has asked me for an account to associate this contact with. I've entered a fake test company. Now I'm being prompted for a first name. Let's go ahead and enter John. Now before I enter the last name, let's go ahead and check Salesforce to ensure that this contact, John Tapper, does not already exist. So as we can see, he does not appear to be in the system. Let's go ahead and provide the bot with Tapper as the last name. Now, the bot is asking for an email address and a phone number. I will supply these as well. And the phone number, of course, will be all fives. Now, as you can see, the contact has been created. Let's check Salesforce to make sure that he's in there. Yep, there he is. Now the bot is asking me if there's anything else I need assistance with. Let's go ahead and enter yes in order to demonstrate the connection to the Bright Pattern ACD. Before that, actually, we're receiving a chat request from a John Doe. Let's answer that. Now please note, this chat is not real. It's just meant to demonstrate how the digital assistant processes a chat request when an agent is busy. In this case, our agent is Anthony Cook. Now let's invoke a live agent bridge through the digital assistant by asking to speak to a representative. The bot has sent a request to the ACD with Tony Cook as the caller. Given that our agent, Anthony Cook, is still chatting with John Doe, he will not answer the request at this time. Given that Anthony Cook is busy, the digital assistant has responded with information pertaining to estimated wait time, queue length, and position in queue. Now this is all out-of-the-box information provided by the Bright Pattern ACD, and this message is sent at repeating intervals. Now our agent Anthony Cook will now end the chat with John Doe, and given that the call from Tony Cook has remained in the queue, he will answer it. Please note that the chat transcript has been popped to the agent screen in order to help the agent understand how the customer has interacted with the digital assistant thus far. Now as you can see here, our customer Tony Cook is informing our agent Anthony Cook of his problem. He's been having trouble retrieving his contacts from Salesforce. Anthony here is happy to assist. While our agent responds to Tony here, please keep in mind that all agents can pass control back to the digital assistant at a specific state in its dialog flow using special commands. So an issue such as Tony's, in which he cannot retrieve his information from Salesforce, can be easily resolved with a simple command such as ** get contacts. Now thanks to Anthony's assistance, the bot can drop back into the conversation exactly where it needs to be and assist Tony. And Tony's going to go ahead and retrieve the new contact he just created from Salesforce. And there we are.